Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the out-of-focus video and immediately duplicating the clip so you never overwrite the original. Once done, scrub the timeline to a representative shot and make note of the source resolution and frame rate because Capcut's enhancement depends on that data. Make sure to switch to a workspace with effects and adjust tools visible. This prevents hunting for controls later. Now you're ready to apply the only reliable fix inside Capcut without guessing. You'll now apply Capcut's Enhance workflow. Select the duplicated clip and choose Video Enhance or AI Enhance. Apply super resolution to upscale and recover detail, then add a modest sharpen. Start at about 25% and raise only if edges look crisp, not noisy. Once done, use contrast and clarity sliders to reveal midtone definition. Avoid extreme settings that amplify artifacts. Make sure to toggle the preview on and off to compare. This visual check prevents overprocessing. Finish by rendering a short test export of the process segment at the original resolution and frame rate. Inspect at 100% zoom. If you see haloing or noise, make measured decreases to sharpen and super resolution. Reduce by about 10 to 20% and re-export the test. Once satisfied, export the full project with the same settings. If results still degrade, re-import the original clip and repeat the enhanced steps with gentler settings. This recovery loop is the key troubleshooting trick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.